If you think eating healthy means dry, boring, and bland food, this recipe is going to change all of that for you. Today we're making a one-pot shawarma spiced chicken and quinoa dish. It's bold, it's flavorful, it's anti-inflammatory, and it's done in under 30 minutes. So a little bit ahead of time, we want to take the wonderful shawarma spice blend and put it over the chicken. We want to marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes to an hour before you cook. Overnight would be even better. Add a little bit of avocado oil to it for that good source of healthy fat, and it helps the spices stick to the chicken. Then you just want to cover it and store it in the fridge while you prep the rest of the recipe. Oops, I almost forgot to add the fresh squeeze of lemon juice. Don't forget this step like I almost did. I'm just keeping it real in my own kitchen. It's time to prep our vegetables. So when it is time to make the recipe, everything comes together nicely, and you don't stress when you're standing over the stove making the dish because everything is prepped. This recipe is flexible. I like to create recipes where you can come up with alternatives. If you don't like zucchini, do something different. Notice I'm putting the zucchini in a bowl by itself. And now I'm going to add some sea salt to it. What this does is it helps extract the excess moisture from the zucchini. One thing we don't want is soggy zucchini. So if you add some salt and just set it aside, it will pull the water out of the zucchini, and you just want to pat it dry with a paper towel. Now I'm going to dice up some red bell pepper. Don't forget, red bell pepper is very high in vitamin C, which is going to be really good to help boost our immune system. And did you know that onions, anything in the onion family, is really good for the cardiovascular system? Onions go in our body like magic little soldiers, and they open up our blood vessels and help our blood flow more even. So I tell people all the time, the stinkier your breath, the healthier your heart. Now that we have everything prepped, before we actually make this recipe, I want to give you just a 20-second rundown on what shawarma is. Shawarma is a typical recipe that people made over a slow cooker in the Middle East, where they took the meat, they seasoned it with all of these spices, and then they slow cook the meat. It doesn't matter what kind of meat it is. Shawarma in my kitchen is the spice blend that I rubbed all over that chicken. Don't let it scare you. These spices are common. You probably have them in the pantry. Okay, now back to the recipe. Let's make the dish. I'm using avocado oil, and that is because we're cooking over heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Extra virgin olive oil is also a wonderful healthy fat choice, but it doesn't love heat for a long period of time. Avocado oil does. So that's why I'm using it today. Now, let's prepare the rest of this amazing, easy one-pot dish. Wasn't that recipe simple? And it used common ingredients. If you're one that doesn't really typically get out of your comfort zone in your kitchen or with your recipes, try this recipe out. Shawarma is such an easy spice blend with all the spices that you probably already have in your pantry. You are going to love this dish. Speaking of love, if you love my recipes and love my approach to anti-inflammatory cooking, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll be coming at you soon with another video, so be sure to check back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.